although you cannot directly assign an integer value to an enum variable, the only way to do this is with static casting, and we covered that in the previous video, you can directly assign an enumerator to an integer value. And that's what we're going to cover in this video. So let's make a week in an enum. Let's do enum, and we'll say day, and it's going to be equal to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This is going to be our enum data type. Now let's make a instance of this day. We can have an int main to test this inside of here. Let's do a day. We're going to declare this, and we'll call this today. And today is Monday. It might not be Monday, but today is Monday, at least in our program. Now we can assign this to an integer value, and that's because each of these up here are stored in a constant int. Think of it like an index. This is going to be our storing into an int. Let's say we have ints, and we'll just call this test. I'm just testing right now, and we're going to set it equal to today. We've set it equal to today. It's not going to have any errors because today is Monday, and Monday is the constant of the first index. And you'll see this if we do a cout and we print out test. It's going to print out a value of 1. And boom, just like that, you've assigned an enumerator to an int value. Remember, if you want to see assigning an integer to an enum value with static casting, we did that in the previous video. If you have any questions on this material, what we just covered now, please leave a comment below. And if you want more C++, check out that playlist linked below the like button.